another topic, which is chain rule. In calculus, the chain rule is a formula that expresses the derivative of the composition of two differentiable functions, f and g, in terms of the derivatives of f and g. The theorem of chain rule. Let f be a real-valued function that is a composite of the two functions g and h. Example, f is equal to g o h. Suppose u is equal to h times x, where du over dx and dg over du exist. Then this could be expressed as change in f over change in x is equal to change in g over change in u times change in u over change in x. So here's the formula. Dy over dx is equal to dy over du and du over dx. Dy over dx is equal to derivative of y with respect to x, and dy over du is equal to derivative of y with respect to u, and du over dx is equal to derivative of u with respect to x. In other words, the first factor on the right, df g times x, indicates that the derivative of f times x is first found as usual, and then x, wherever it occurs, is replaced by the function g times x. If the last operation on variable quantities is multiplication, use the product rule. If the last operation on variable quantities is applying a function, use the chain rule. F times x is equal to 3 times x plus 4 times 5 minus the last thing we do before multiplying by the constant 3 is raised to the 5th power. Use the chain rule. The chain rule tells us how to find the derivative of a composite function. Brush up on your knowledge of composite functions and learn how to apply the chain rule correctly. It tells us how to differentiate composite functions rather. So that would be all for this time, and thank you for listening.